To change your PayPal password, start by logging in to your account through the app or website. Once logged in, navigate to Settings, then Security, and select Change Password. You'll need to enter your current password, then create a new one that meets PayPal's requirements. After entering your new password, confirm the change using two-factor authentication. PayPal requires 2FA for all password changes. Follow the on-screen instructions for your chosen 2FA method to complete the confirmation. Once confirmed, your password is changed. Finally, log out and log back in using your new password to ensure it works correctly. Forgot your PayPal password? Don't worry, resetting it is straightforward. On the sign-in page, paypal.com/signin, click on Having Trouble Logging In. You'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number associated with your PayPal account. PayPal will then initiate the identity verification process. You may receive a code via SMS or email, or you might be asked to answer security questions you previously set up. Choose the most convenient verification method and follow the instructions. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be able to create a new password. Make sure it meets PayPal's password requirements, at least 8 characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. If you haven't already, you'll also be prompted to enable 2FA for added security. Once you've created and confirmed your new password, log out and then log back in with your new credentials to ensure everything is working as expected. PayPal's account lock feature may activate if suspicious activity is detected, requiring a password reset via a verified email or phone.